Did you know it's a time to really get in there and just make
Oh, no, we'd
your
never
own.
guessed that you enjoy the holidays. You're dressed like an ornament.
I'm bringing bows back, baby.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
But Rachel, I love that you can bring your magic to the kitchen, and I love bringing my magic out to the table and everything else.
And all over the home, yes.
Exactly. So first things first, bows. Presents, it's all of the holidays, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a holiday tablescape that you are going to love, that's so easy and affordable to do. So first things first, we wrap our table in our holiday paper.
You're literally wrapping the table.
Yeah.
Adorable.
Isn't it great? It's easy, it's disposable, it's colorful, and it's customizable to your home, so you can wrap it in your own paper.
That's right.
Your own colors, your whole thing. Now next up, I'm gonna let you do the honors
yeah.
there. We've got a little bow, isn't that easy? And of course, you'll just tape it underneath the table so that it's nice and secure for your own home. Isn't that pretty? Okay.
It's gorgeous.
And nothing is complete without a bow. Let me get that bow up there, honey. Look.
Nice.
Ta-da. Isn't that pretty?
That's
I love
adorable.
that. It's great.
It really
An appetizer
is. That's
table.
adorable,
a kid
and it's
table.
nothing. It's just so fun.